Alright guys, so this is the Neotec. It's one of the cheapest chainsaws off of eBay. I think it was like 110 bucks. I've only used it that one time. Show you guys everything it come with. Come with a little toolkit. In this little bag. It come with two little Allen tools. The spark plug wrench, chain wrench, bar wrench, a little flathead for tuning, and then a file for sharpening. It's kind of stuck down in there, but just a file for it. It's got this little thing that slides over the guard. I'm going to show you guys the chainsaw. It's just a little two-stroke chainsaw. Oil for your bar and your two-stroke mix. It's got a little on and off switch right here. Oop, chain cover. And your choke. And this would be your breather cover under there. Fires right up. We got some trees we're going to trim up. Show you it in action. Chain stop. Like I said, I've only used it like a time or two. The chain is still very sharp.